Today we're going to show you how to save audiograms for use with the hearing loss simulation module in the Otosuite software. Step 1. Configure the audiometry application. Okay, so we're in the software. You want to go and click Tools at the top left here and select Configuration Wizard. And a little window will pop up. Here you want to tick Audiometry and then click T2 Demo, then you can click Finish. Step 2, we're going to show you now how to create and save an audiogram. So you want to open the test selector up here and click the audiometry tab, then click UK Basic, plot an audiogram by double clicking the graph like so. Once you're done, select File and Save As. Save the file with your choice of file name. Make sure you include all the relevant information so you know exactly what the file is when you need to come back to it. Click Save and return to the test selector. Next you want to click on the Counselling and Simulations tab and click Hearing Loss Simulation, and there you have it. You can now use the hearing loss simulation with your saved audiogram.